So thanks to Byron, the old door frame is gone. This new door came with its own frame. That's what you call a pre-hung door, for those that you don't know. Well, not only was the